So what's going on, guys? This is Victor TV once again for another video, and I'm going to teach you guys how to remove watermark on filmora9. So what's going on, guys? This is Victor TV once again for another video, and I'm going to teach you guys how to remove watermark on filmora9. This is the newly updated filmora that has watermarks on it, and so this is the watermark that I am going to show you an example of the watermark. This is the watermark. So as you can see, the whole video is covered with the watermark from filmora9. So I'm going to teach you on how to remove this one easily. So go to the filmora9, then click help at the top, then offline activation. Then as you can see, I already put mine, the email and the registration code. So what you're gonna do is search this one on Google Chrome. WonderShare Filmora registration code, key and email. Then this one is a good example. So you can see the email and the code. So you're gonna copy these both and paste it on the filmora9 here on the offline activation. So but before you click the activate, you must delete first the WonderShare helper compact like this. So you'll go to start and search the WonderShare filmora9, this one. Wait, WonderShare filmora9, so this one. Then you're going to click the uninstall. Then you'll see the WonderShare helper compact at the very bottom of this one. Here, below this one, you'll see the WonderShare helper compact. As you can see, mine is already gone because I already deleted it, because I just fixed it on my own. Then I make a video of it and how to remove it, the watermark, for you guys. So after you remove the WonderShare helper compact, then go click the activate on the offline activation. Click activate, then go try to edit a new video, then upload it or export it and create video. Then you'll see the result of the non-watermark video. This is the example, this one. After I fixed it, this one is the result. So on it already. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my video about the watermark and how to remove it. So peace.